2, 3.
Hey guys, this is Primo, and what am I doing at an empty Joe's lot right now? Well, it's pretty simple. Kalstar Kares has a yearly show, and part of that yearly show, they have a yearly cruise. So we had a little cruise group that got put together by a couple of friends, and we got an invite to it. So we're here waiting for the cars right now. We got a couple that have showed up. I'll show you those, and then we're gonna head off to another dealership where all the cars are gonna meet up for the big cruise, and then it's gonna be a police escort down to the southern part, like the Bourne Bridge area. So it's gonna be a fun event. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you're looking forward to it too.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I had to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a
those people that just want right on.
Yep. Yeah.
was coming.
The best part was how you followed him in.
I know. It's just slow. I guess we don't know. I think he finally... He paid him off. He got him off. He gave it to me. Thanks. So my people...
I was thought involvement, but there's an idea.
This is my vape shop. It's not ID now. It's the same
Hey guys, this is Primo and I'm here at Lexus of Sharon. This is the first stop today. I waited around for we came so early, there was nobody here, it was just us. So we kind of took over the center aisle here and then we waited around for everybody to show up to do my intro. So this is going to be a good event. We already have an officer up here making sure that we don't pull out and drive like crazy when we come out. But we do have a state police officer coming that's going to escort us down to the highway. So I think it should be pretty much trouble-free. So we'll see how everything works. I'm excited to be on this. I hope you guys are excited as well. So we made it out to the Kalstar Kares Car Show. Great drive. I'm just gonna say this, If you haven't done a cruise before, you need to be on one. I don't care what it is, you just need to put one together. Put it together professionally, put it together right. And events like this, I mean, it was totally clear the whole way down. We had no problems. It was a fun drive, and I mean, it was just a bunch of friends driving together. It just, you can't get away from it, how cool it is and how fun it is. So, but we're here at the car show now. I'm already seeing a ton of cool stuff. I'm gonna get some shots real quick and show you. This is gonna be fun. I'm happy to be here.
Group driving down.
Yeah.
Where is he? You know?
He went that way.
Pounds. So if you put 1,000 horse in my car, it's
Have fun, buddy. Have fun, bud.
This one that kind of stuff? Yeah, it is a Lambo, yeah. That's right.
Sounds good.
Trying to say hello.
Okay, that's it for the Kalstar Kares Car Show. This is one of those things of like, it's not about what cars show up. It really is about the people that show up. It's a great event for a good cause. And like I said, it's something, if you haven't checked it out this year, you should definitely come back. Remember that we have some videos over here and a subscribe button. I don't want you to miss out anything. We are on our search for the next car show, and don't forget to drive.